Jammu and Kashmir High Court has asked the police to exhume the bodies of the two Shopian rape victims. The court has asked for a fresh post-mortem to be conducted on the victims. However, this order is conditional. The consent of the victims' family is to be required before the bodies can be exhumed for further tests. Now, this order comes a day after the court had asked the special investigation team to interrogate all the suspended officials. The court has also asked for narco tests to be conducted if necessary. Remember, the bodies of Asiya, who was 17 years old, and her sister-in-law Niloufar, who was 22 at that time, were fished out of a stream in Shopian in June, early June, after they went missing from an orchard. It was alleged that they were raped and then murdered by security forces, following which there were huge protests in the valley. Now, for more, let's go across to Tariq Mir joining us with that breaking news. A huge movement there in as far as this case is concerned. Tariq, it does come after a string of protests in the valley.
Well, that's right. In fact, the division bench of JK High Court has directed the special investigation team to exhume the bodies of Niloufar and Asiya, victims of rape and murder in Shopian, and it has further asked the special investigation team to get all the call details from the phone operators who are operating in this region, and to get to know really what had transpired during that night and day on May 29. And it has also asked the team to interrogate those suspended police officials who were there and were later indicted by one of the commission of inquiries. They should also be interrogated. So it has also asked the IGP CID to oversee the investigation, though he had shown its reluctance on the grounds of ill health that he can't do it, but the court has asked him to continue with that role of overseeing investigation. So it's a pretty direction in the sense that there had been a lot of protests over the last 1 month across the valley. In fact, Shopian town remains shut for most part of this month to pressure the government to investigate this matter. Now that this verdict has come, it's only going to put the more spotlight on this case.
Right, Tariq, also yesterday, the special investigating team was asked to interrogate all the suspended officials and also asked for narco tests to be conducted if necessary in this case.
Well, that's right. The court has directed the special investigation team that if needed, the narco analysis test of the witnesses and other people should be conducted. And yes, it is an observation that will at least maybe placate that anger on the ground now that the High Court has given this direction to the police. It puts more spotlight in it. We have seen how a commission of inquiry gave its interim recommendations to the government, where they had indicted the role of course, police officials there, and later the government had suspended those police officials from there.